Well, we've been keeping a close eye on the storm, of course, and News 6 meteorologist Mark Avery is in the Skywatch Weather Center with the very latest on Dennis. So, Mark, tell us what's happening.
Dennis is not doing much yet. However, the ridge, there's the thing that's been keeping Dennis in place is starting to lose its grip on Dennis, and it looks like Dennis is finally going to start moving somewhere tomorrow. There he is right now, still not moving very much. He is getting a little shower and storm activity near the center of its circulation, and as of 11 o'clock, here's the latest coordinates for you if you're keeping track at home. 33.2 north, 74.3 west. That's 160 miles south-southeast of Cape Hatteras, and that's about 230, 240 miles southeast of Wilmington, so it's way out there from here. Drifting towards the west-northwest about 2 miles per hour, maximum winds up to 60 miles per hour, well, still at 60 miles per hour. I know you're wondering, where's Dennis going next? Well, I'll answer that question in a few minutes, Murph.
All right, thanks, Mark. And will it permit?
It's looking better. I'll say that much. I won't give away the farm and say how much better. Well, I will say more, but you have to stay tuned. We'll talk about where Dennis is going coming up next. The prognosis on Dennis is looking better for us, and I'll explain why here as we progress through weather. First of all, in Dennis's favor, he does have the Gulf Stream to traverse before he gets anywhere near land, and that's part of the responsibility for why he's getting some bigger thunderstorms here this evening near the center of circulation. Now, one of the things that is starting to happen in the atmosphere is that the high pressure in the upper parts of the atmosphere that has been blocking Dennis from going anywhere is starting to break down. Now, what that means is that he is going to start moving, it looks like, tomorrow. Where is he going? I'll answer that in just a few moments. But in the meantime, we're getting a few high clouds out here, and we're still getting the rough seas, we're still getting the winds, and because of that, tropical storm warnings from Cape Lookout to Oregon Inlet, with tropical storm watches north to the state line, with Virginia and south and westward to Surf City. So tropical storm watch Surf City northward, that's the Onslow County beaches, North Topsail Beach and Sneads Ferry type areas, with a gale warning along the rest of the coast. Your forecast for this evening, because of the clouds and some of the showers nearby, we'll see a couple showers and temperatures staying in the 70s through the overnight hours. Skywatch Neighborhood Network from Alltel takes us outside. Let's go to Skywatch Neighborhood Network, please. We go to Southport. We have 73 degrees there and a peak wind gust about 29 miles per hour. So a breezy day out there. Official numbers today at the airport, we topped out at 81 this afternoon, down to 73. A trace of rainfall, and here's the latest coordinates. From Dennis, as of 11 o'clock, 33.2 north, 74.3 west. That's 160 miles south-southeast of Cape Hatteras. That's about roughly 230 miles southeast of Wilmington, by the way. It's drifting to the west-northwest at 2 miles per hour. Maximum sustained winds are at 60 miles per hour, but that's in a very small area right near the center of the circulation, and the barometric pressure is falling. And I think that's more because the hurricane hunters have actually gone out here and checked and measured the pressure instead of going from the estimates. Now, here's the good news. Look at this. Not coming anywhere, not coming too close to us. As of 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, it's still going to be pretty much in place with a 65 mile per hour wind. By 8 o'clock tomorrow night, it'll be getting near Cape Lookout or so with a 70 mile per hour wind. That's a very strong tropical storm, almost a hurricane, because it's got the Gulf Stream to traverse. And then by 8 o'clock on Sunday morning, it's near Norfolk, Virginia. Now, what this means for us here in Wilmington, it means winds on tomorrow afternoon and evening will pick up to about the 20 to 30 mile per hour range, maybe some higher gusts about 35, 40 or so, and progressively less windy the farther inland you go. Lumberton, Fayetteville, Whiteville, Elizabethtown, Clinton, parts in Duplin County like Wallace and Kenansville, you're looking at 20 mile per hour winds, maybe gusts to 30 at that. So this is all bark and no bite. A lot of roar, 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 and no arr, arr, arr. So it's nothing really to get too excited about. I've been saying all week, it's going to be a wind event, it's going to be a cloud event, and it's going to be a rough seas event around here with just some light showers. And I'm still sticking to it. I still believe it. I'm sticking to my guns, and that's what it is. There you go. Here's your Skywatch weather tomorrow morning. Clouds, some showers, a few peaks of sun in there. Temperatures raising to about 80 degrees at noon tomorrow. Topping out tomorrow about 84 with some clouds and off-on showers. Winds will start to pick up too during the afternoon as the center starts to scoot up towards Cape Lookout. Along the coast, gale warning in effect. Rip currents are possible. Northeast winds 30 to 35 knots. Seas 6 feet near the shore and 12 feet out farther away. Water temperatures at 77. High tide is next to 2:45. Low tide at 9. Sun rises tomorrow at 6:47 and sets at 7. 37. There's your 6-day forecast once we get Dennis out of here, and it looks like he's finally going to go away. Let's everybody have a big cheer. Cheer. Dennis is getting out of here finally. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Let's have the weekend then. That'll be nice then.
I'm all for that.
Sound good?
All right, that's good news.
Right.
Thanks, Mark. Appreciate it.